Morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar. Today our topic is going on rational number, and in this topic we will learn how to multiply the rational numbers. So we see multiplication. First, this is a question number 1 and we will solve its two parts. So to bring an idea of the multiplication of rational numbers. So now first of all I will write 11 by 12 and multiply. Because I have to multiply, therefore I will write the symbol of multiplication. And minus 8 by 15. I will write this in bracket. As you know, when we multiply a positive and negative number, then the answer is in negative. Therefore, I will write negative symbol in the beginning. After that, I will multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with the denominator. Here I will see, is there any common factor between numerator and denominator of any term? Yes, 8 and 12. Both are divisible on 2. Also they are divisible on 4. So if I cut them at 4, then 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. Now 11 multiply 2, that is 22, and 3 multiply 15, that is 45. The negative symbol is here, so I will write this negative symbol, and in this way I get my answer. So student, you come to know how to multiply the two rational numbers. Okay, in this question we need not to find the LCM, just we do in the question related to addition or the subtraction of the rational numbers. Next, here this is minus 9 by 13 to be multiplied with 65 by minus 3. First of all, we will write negative symbol in the center. Okay, and we will convert this by to the multiplication symbol and write minus 3, a minus symbol in the center, and I will write this into bracket, and this will also in bracket. Now here we know minus and minus when multiplied, then the answer in plus. So we may write plus or we may skip plus, that depends upon us. So 19 multiply 65 divided by 3 multiply 3. Now you will see that 19 is not divisible by 3 and 65 is also not divisible by 3, as its digit sum is 6 plus 5 11. So what is the way we have to follow? We will multiply 65 with 19. So when we multiply 65 by 19 in the rough work, we get 3 multiply 3 by 9 and now 1235. This is my answer. Now you can convert this into mixed fraction. For the mixed fraction, we have to divide 1235 by 9 and shall write the answer. So in the rough work I can do it here. 1235 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, 3 and 3. 9 threes are 27 and 6 and 9 6 9 5 are 45, 9 6 are 54, 9 7 are 63 or 2. Now we see in the division we get this. Now I will write this in the mixed fraction form. 9 and remainder will be on the top and the quotient will be on the side. So in this way I will got the answer of the multiplication of the rational numbers. These two sums gives us the proper idea. Now here 28 by 9, I will write minus here by multiplication and minus 27. As we know, minus and minus are multiplied. First I will convert this by writing 1 in the denominator. I will convert this into a rational number. So now I multiply minus and minus term, therefore my answer will be in plus. So I need no symbol to write. Okay, 28 multiply 27 divided by 9 multiply 1, that is 9. Now you will see that 9 and 27, these are divisible. So we get 28 multiply 3, it is 1. Now 28 multiply 3, that is 8 3s are 24, carry 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 8. In this way we will get the answer 84 by 1, that is 84. Similarly, question number, this part 4 of the question number 2, minus 48 is to be multiplied by minus 17 by 16. I will write this in bracket. As we know, minus are plus, therefore I will write plus positive symbol, and 17, and the here I will convert this into rational number by writing the 1 in the denominator. Now I will see 16 and 48, these are divisible on 3's table. So 3 multiply 17, that is 51 is my answer. So student, in this way you have learned how to multiply the rational numbers. Now student, as in this question number 4, we have to do the simplification of the rational number, where the multiplication and operation and the addition and the subtraction operation are involved. So how we will solve this? First of all, we know that we have to apply the BODMAS. So we solve the question as per the rule. So first of all, we will solve all the 3 brackets. So minus and plus, this is a negative rational number and positive rational number, therefore its answer will be in negative term. Now 3 multiply 4 divided by 2 multiply 5, right? After that its answer will be in negative term. Say therefore 9 multiply 10 over 5 multiply 3. Here this is positive and this is positive, so no problem. 1 by 3 and 2 by 4 is there, and the answer is without symbol, that is positive 1. So now here you will see that 2 can cut 4, therefore 2 2s are 4 and multiply. Okay, let's see this question. In this question there are 3 brackets, and we will firstly, as per the BODMAS rule, solve the bracket. When we solve the bracket, we write the terms inside the bracket like this. This is the negative, therefore the negative and positive, so that the answer is in negative. Here one negative is there in the multiplication, so that the answer is in negative term, and here the positive 2 positive rational number, therefore the answer will be in a positive way. So 2 and 4, 2 divided by 4 at table of 2. Now 3 multiply 2, that is 6 over 5, that is minus negative. So and 5 cut 10 at the table of 2, and 3 cut 9 at the table of 3, minus 3 multiply 2, that is 6. Now minus 1 multiply 3, that is 3, and 2 multiply 4, that is 8. Now minus 6 by 5, plus and minus, that is minus 6. We will convert into a rational number by writing the 1 in denominator, minus 3 by 8. Now as you see, this is these 3 rational number we have to solve by taking the LCM, 5 and 8. What is the LCM of 5 and 8? Because 5 and 8 are not common to each other, therefore and also the no common factor is there, therefore their LCM will be their normal multiplication. So the LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. I will write here LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. Clear? Now I will draw the division bar. Now 40 will be divided by 5, we will get 8, 8 multiply with 6. Now 40 divided by 1, that is 40, therefore multiply with 6, and 40 divided by 8, that is 5, 5 multiply with 3. Now 6, 8 the 48 minus 240 minus 15 over 40. Now all the 3 values are in negative, it means they have like signs, so we will add all these and write the common symbol. What is the common symbol? Minus, and we will have to add all these. 48 and 240, that is 288, 288 and 15, 298 and 303. This is 303 is the answer. Now we get the answer on the simplification of this question.